Good students, today I will teach you about rational number, in which sub-topic properties of multiplication of rational number, how multiply of the rational numbers, by which many rules or properties or law to solve of the multiplicative rational numbers. By which method we multiply of the rational number. There are different properties to multiply of rational numbers. Okay, students, here there are following types of multiplicative rational numbers. As first, closure law. Second, multiplicative commutative law, multiplicative associative law, multiplicative identity law, and multiplicative inverse law. These are the laws or properties to multiply of rational numbers. Okay, student. In first case, we will know about closure law. Closure law in multiplication. Closure law in multiplication. In this case, if A by B and C by D are rational numbers, two rational numbers. In this case, we write here A by B into C by D is equal to AC upon BD, also belong in rational number, belong to Q, or AC BD is a rational number. Q is the symbol of a rational number. All rational numbers are belonging to Q. Okay, then here example, let A by B is equal to 2 by 3 and C by D is equal to 4 by 5. Then according to this, 2 by 3, 4 by 5 is equal to 8 by 15 belonging to Q, or 8 by 15 is a rational number. Okay, student. After this, multiplication in commutative law. Multiplication rule in commutative law by commutative. Commutative law. Law or properties. Properties means law. Law means rule. Commutative law, if commutative law in multiplication, if A by B and C by D are rational numbers. Okay, student? Here we write A by B multiply C by B is equal to C by B, A by B is equal to R belonging to Q. Okay, student? Let A by B is equal to 2 by 3 and C by A by B, C by D. Here C by D into A by B. Okay, student? C by D is equal to 7 by 5. Then we get, according to this, 2 by 3 into 7 by 5, 7 by 5 into 2 by 3. During the calculation we get 14 upon 15 is a rational number. Okay, student? After this, associative law. Associative law. What is associative law? In this case, 3 rational numbers are compulsory to show the associative law. Here, associative law in multiplication. Associative law in multiplication. Law in multiplication. What is associative law? If A by B, C by D and E by F are rational numbers, then according to associative law we can write here A by B in bracket C by D into E by F and A by B is equal to A by B into C by D into E by F. Okay, student? These are associative law rule. This is also belonging to Q during the calculation. Okay, student? Here let A by B is equal to 2 by 3 and C by D is equal to 5 by 3 and here E by F is equal to 4 by 3. Then according to this rule 2 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 4 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 5 by 3 into 4 by 3. Okay? During the calculation we get here, during the calculation 5 2 ja 10, 10 4 ja 40, 40 upon 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27. Okay, student? 40 upon 27 is also a rational number. Okay, student? After this, next, multiplicative identity law. Multiplicative multiplicative identity law. What is multiplicative identity law? Look here. Multiplicative identity law. Multiplicative identity law. Identity law or properties. Okay, friends. Here, if A by B is a rational number, then 1 is its identity rational number. Then we can write A by B into 1 or 1 into A by B. We can write A by B, also a rational number. There is no difference multiply of 1 in any rational number. Okay, then here let A by B is equal to 3 by 2, then then 3 by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2. There is no difference. It is also a rational number. Okay, then after this, next, multiplicative inverse law. Multiplication in inverse law. Multiplication in inverse law. Multiplication in inverse law or reciprocal. Okay, student, reciprocal inverse ulta. Here, if A by B is a rational number, then B by A is an inverse rational number of A by B. Okay, then here let A by B is equal to 4 by 7, then 7 by 4 is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Okay, student, and we can write here during the multiplication we get 4 by 7 into 7 by 4. Okay, cancel all, we get 1, and 1 is also a rational numbers, also a rational number, because one is integer, all integers are rational number. Okay, student? If these types of questions are given everywhere, then you can solve on this basis. Okay, student? Next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, student? Thank all of you.